Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Education Hub. As you know that we have already discussed about parts of speech and tense. Now we will discuss about voice. Voice is divided into two, active voice and passive voice. In active voice, subject is important and in passive voice, object is important. सब एक्टिव वॉइस में कर्ता की प्रधानता होती है और पैसिव वॉइस में कर्म की प्रधानता होती है। एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में हम जब किसी भी सेंटेंस को चेंज करते हैं तो सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे के स्थान को रिप्लेस करते हैं। आई ईट ब्रेड, ब्रेड इज ईटेन बाय मी। शी राइट्स अ लेटर इज रिटन बाय हर। We like tragic films. Tragic films are liked by us. आपने देखा कि इन sentences में I eat, she writes and we like की जगह पर जब हमने पैसिव वॉइस बनाया तो ब्रेड और लेटर और ट्रेजिक फिल्म्स को लिखा। एंड यू ऑल्सो नो दैट वॉइस इज द फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब। वॉइस जो है वो वर्ब का ही एक रूप है और द सब्जेक्ट डज समथिंग और हैज समथिंग डन टू ईट। और सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा जो काम किया जाता है या जो सब्जेक्ट करता है वो एक्टिव वॉइस में होता है और पैसिव वॉइस में जो ऑब्जेक्ट के द्वारा काम किया जाता है या ऑब्जेक्ट की प्रधानता को शो करता है वो पैसिव वॉइस होता है। और ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब ही एक ऐसा वर्ब है जिसका पैसिव वॉइस बनाया जा सकता है। इन ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता। नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस। एक्टिव वॉइस, a verb is said to be in the active voice when its form shows that the person or things denoted by the subject does something. In other words, we can say that to express the emphasis on the subject or to express the importance of the subject, active voice is used. कर्ता पर जोर डालने के लिए या कर्ता की प्रधानता को शो करने के लिए एक्टिव वॉइस का प्रयोग किया जाता है। इन पैसिव वॉइस, a verb is said to be in the passive voice when its form shows that something is done to the person or things denoted by the subject. In other words, we can say that to express the emphasis on the object or to express the importance of the object, passive voice is used. Means कि पैसिव वॉइस में कर्म की प्रधानता होती है और कर्म के ही महत्व को बताया जाता है। See some examples. Ram loves Sita. Sita is loved by Ram. He is writing a letter. A letter is being written by him. Let us understand about the rules. Rules for changing active voice and passive voice. Rule number 1. See examples. Ram loves Sita. It is a simple sentence or can say it is in active voice. Sita is loved by Ram. It is in passive voice. See, in passive voice, Sita is written in the place of subject and it takes helping verb, then verb third, then preposition by, and Ram is here on the place of object. In active voice, Ram is subject, but in passive voice, Ram is object. And in active voice, Sita is object, but passive voice, Sita is subject. So we can say that whenever we change active voice into passive voice, have to remember that place of subject and object will interchange. And with takes helping verb, then verb third, then by preposition always. And it is second rule. Active verb takes main verb and passive voice is takes verb third past participle form. Verb to be am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been according to tense. Rule number 3. Subject of the active voice change into agent of the passive voice. Rule number 4. Pronoun used as subject is called nominative case and used as object is called objective case. Here is nominative case and objective case is given. Nominative case: I, we, you, he, she, it, they, who. Whenever these nominative case change into passive voice, it became objective case. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them, whom. Rule number 5. In the place of subject, one, someone, somebody, nobody, anybody, everybody, they, people, are, any other indefinite subject. In passive voice, these words are omitted. It mean to say, जब सब्जेक्ट के स्थान पर वन, समवन, somebody, nobody, anybody, everybody, they, people, are, any other indefinite subject हो तो पैसिव वॉइस वर्ब के साथ उसका लोप हो जाता है, यानी कि उसको रिमूव कर दिया जाता है. कुछ सेंटेंस में आई, वी, यू, दे, शी, ही, शी, अ मैन ऐसे एजेंट को भी आवश्यकता अनुसार पैसिव वर्ब के साथ नहीं लिखा जाता है. अतः सेंटेंस के अर्थ को समझते हुए यह निर्णय लेना चाहिए कि संबंधित पैसिव वॉइस में एजेंट का प्रयोग आवश्यक है या नहीं. रूल नंबर 6. केवल ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के ही पैसिव वॉइस चेंज किए जा सकते हैं क्योंकि इनके साथ ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं. इन ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब का पैसिव वॉइस चेंज नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इनका कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता. See examples. The kite flies very high. The horse runs fast. The dog is eating. Let us understand how to change present indefinite into passive voice. Affirmative structure is sentence subject is am, are, verb third, other. It is the structure of passive voice sentence. See examples. I write a letter. A letter is written by me. She loves me. I am loved by her. They eat apple. Apples are eaten by them. We help you. You are helped by us. Here is negative structure. Subject is am, are, not, verb third, then other. Not को is am, are और verb third के बीच में लिखा जाता है जब भी हम पैसिव वॉइस बनाते हैं. आई डू नॉट राइट अ लेटर. अ लेटर इज नॉट रिटन बाई मी. शी डज नॉट लव मी. आई एम नॉट लव्ड बाई हर. दे डू नॉट ईट एप्पल्स. एप्पल्स आर नॉट ईटन बाई देम. वी डू नॉट हेल्प यू. यू आर नॉट हेल्प बाई अस. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. इज एम, आर के साथ सब्जेक्ट, देन वर्ब थर्ड, देन अदर्स, देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. डू आई राइट अ लेटर. यहाँ पर डू की जगह हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज का प्रयोग किया जाएगा. इज अ लेटर अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट इज अ सिंगुलर नाउन सो वी यूज हियर सिंगुलर वर्ब. इज अ लेटर रिटेन इट इज वर्ब थर्ड, देन बाय प्रीपोजिशन एंड मी. हियर me is object of I. Does she love me? Am I loved by her? Do they eat apples? Are apples eaten by them? Do we help you? Are you helped by us? कुछ ऐसे इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस होते हैं जो कि क्वेश्चन वर्ड के थ्रू पैसिव वॉइस बनाए जाते हैं और हु को पैसिव वॉइस बनाते समय बाय होम में चेंज किया जाता है. सी एग्जाम्पल्स. हु लव्स यू मोस्ट. बाय होम आर यू लव्ड मोस्ट. हु can save our country? By whom can our country be saved? Where? Where do you teach him? Where is he taught by you? And how? How do you know her? How is she known to her? You. Interrogative negative structure. Is am are, then subject, then not, then verb third, then others, then question mark. Do I not write a letter? Is a letter not written by me? Does she not love you? Are you not loved by her? And point to be remember, हेल्पिंग वर्ब डू डज डिड का प्रयोग पैसिव वॉइस में कभी नहीं किया जाता. See some miscellaneous examples of active and passive voice. I help my friends. A friend is helped by me. I help my friends. My friends are helped by me. Do you help your friends? Are your friends helped by you? Why do you insult the poor? Why are the poor insulted by you? Anybody expects good news. Good news is expected. Let us understand about the passive voice of present continuous tense. You know that in present continuous tense is am are is used as helping verb and present participle is used with helping words. But in passive voice we use is am are with the verb with being, then verb third. Affirmative structure. Sentence is I am writing a letter. It is a simple sentence and in active voice. But when we write passive voice, we will write a letter is being written by me. Negative structure. Subject is am are not being verb third. I am not writing a letter. A letter is not being written by me. Interrogative structure. Is am are, then subject, then being, then verb third, then other, at last question mark. Is she loving me? Am I being loved by her? Whom are they teaching? Who are being taught by them? In interrogative negative, structure is am are, then subject, then not, then being, then verb third, then other, are at last question mark. Am I not writing a letter? Is a letter not being written by me? Are they not eating apples? Are apples not being eaten by them? Let us understand more with the help of miscellaneous examples. I am eating mangoes. Mangoes are being eaten by me. We are cooking food. Food is being cooked by us. What are you thinking? What is being thought by you? Somebody is doing it. It is being done. No one is helping me. I am not being helped. Someone is teasing him. He is being teased. Is anybody helping me? Am I being helped? Everyone is singing a song. A song is being sung. Here is given some important facts. वर्ब टू बी के रूप में पैसिव वॉइस बनाने के लिए टेंस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट कॉन्टिन्यूअस परफेक्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता है. सो सी एम इज आर कॉन्टिन्यूअस में एम इज became am being is became is being and are became are being and perfect mean has been and have been. In past tense was became was being and were became were being. पास्ट टेंस में पास्ट परफेक्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता है. देन फ्यूचर टेंस indefinite will be, shall be, and perfect had been will have been and shall have been। तो आप ये देख रहे हो कि फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता, लेकिन पास्ट परफेक्ट में वर हैड बीन का यूज किया जाता है, बट पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनाया जाता। सब्जेक्ट यदि प्रोनाउन है तो उसे निम्न प्रकार से परिवर्तित करते हैं, अतः बाय का प्रयोग भी किया जाता है। तो एक्टिव वॉइस कर्ता और पैसिव वॉइस का कर। एक्टिव वॉइस का कर्ता आई एंड पैसिव वॉइस में बाय मी, वी बाय अस, यू बाय यू, ही बाय हिम एंड सी बाय हर, it by it and they by them। तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज आपने ये देखा कि हम कैसे एक्टिव वॉइस को पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करते हैं और कुछ रूल्स और उसके एग्जाम्पल्स भी देखे। नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्सरसाइज। चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस। यहाँ पर पैसिव वॉइस के एक्टिव वॉइस के कुछ सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं जो कि प्रेजेंट टेंस में हैं। अब हम इन्हें पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है हरी टीचेस मोहन। यहाँ पर टीचेस जो है वो मेन वर्ब और सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है, सब सिंगुलर वर्ब है जो कि हरी के लिए आया है। जब हम इसको पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे तो इसका हो जाएगा, इसका पैसिव वॉइस बनेगा मोहन is taught by Hari. They believe me. I am believed by them. She does not like you. You are not liked by her. You hate us. We are hated by you. I do not abuse him. He is not abused by me. Does he not sing a song? Are songs not sung by him? Do you love them? Are they loved by you? Who tells a lie? A lie is told by whom, or by whom a lie is told. What do you see there? What do you see there? What is seen by you there? She washes her dirty clothes. Her dirty clothes are washed by her. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, do share the video so others can learn, and hit the bell icon to get regular update about the course. If you have any suggestions to related the topic, please write in the comment box, because your opinion encourages us to make it more graceful. Thanks for watching.